Hi, this is Chileen from the Honors Tutorial. Welcome back to part 2 of our topic, which is about geometric sequence. And this is also the last part of the topic itself. So this is for mathematics 10. Let's continue our discussion. So this is about finding the end term of a geometric sequence. So we have here the 12th term of 40, 20, 10, and 5. The geometric sequence that we have here. So this is our solution. Step 1, please identify what is a sub 1. A sub 1 is the first term, so that is 40. And then it is very important for us to identify the ratio. So R is equal to, the formula is A sub 2 over A sub 1. So A sub 2 here is our second term, so that's 20. So we have here 20 over the first term, that's 40. So we have here 40. And then as you can see in here, 20 over 40 is not yet the final answer for the ratio. We have to simplify this. So kindly think of a number that can divide 20 and 40 at the same time without remainder. If you're thinking of 2, we can use that, of course, but if you use that, you have to simplify it again and again and again. So please think of a higher number than 2. And if you're thinking of 4, yes, I know we can use that, but just like 2, if you use 4, then we have to simplify it again and again and again. And that is also true if you are thinking of 5, if you're thinking of 10. Yes, that is possible, but don't forget to simplify it again. Okay? So let's use the highest number that we can use to divide the numerator and denominator at the same time without remainder. Okay? So that is 20. So we have here divided by 20. Both of the numerator and denominator. So 20 divided by 20 is 1 over 40 divided by 20, that's 2. So the ratio here is 1 half. So what is the formula to be used? So the formula here is, let's have the solution to here. A sub n is equal to A sub 1 r raised to n minus 1. So A sub n is the unknown term, so that is the 12th term. So that would be A sub 12 is equal to our A sub 1. That is 40. So we will be writing 40 here. Times R. Our R here is 1 half. So we have here 1 half. And then N. What is N? N is the term itself that we're looking for. That's 12. So we have here 12 minus 1. So we have here A sub 12 is equal to 40 times 1. So that's 40 over 2 raised to, let's have the exponent first. So 12 minus 1, that's 11. So we have here 40 times the quantity of 1 half raised to 11. And then let's raise it first to 11. So we have here a sub 12 is equal to 40 times 1 raised to 11 is 1. Let's have 2 raised to 11. That is 2048. So we have here a sub 12 is equal to 40 times 1, that's 40, over 20,048. Don't forget to simplify this because there's still a number that can divide the numerator and denominator at the same time without remainder. Let's try to use 4. S- Let's divide it by 4. So we have here a sub 12 is equal to 40 divided by 4, that's 10, over 2048 divided by 4 is 512. There's still a number that can divide the numerator and denominator at the same time without remainder, and that's 2. So let's divide. So a sub 12 is equal to 10 divided by 2, that's 5. 512 divided by 2, that's 256. So therefore, there's no number that can divide the numerator and denominator now without remainder. So we can still change this into a decimal. So a sub 12 is equal to 5 divided by 256. That is 0.0195. So let's round this off. Then it will become a sub 12 is equal to 0.02. So this is the 12th term. If you want the fractional part, then it is 5 over 256. Now it's your choice. Next, let us have another. We are looking now for the 27th term. Same process. For the first part of the solution, identify a sub 1. A sub 1 is the first term, that's 40. Identify R, the ratio. Ratio is equal to a sub 2 over a sub 1. A sub 2 is the second term, so that's 20. A sub 1 is 40. So kindly simplify this just like what we did earlier. Think of a number that can divide the numerator and denominator at the same time without remainder, and that's 20. So therefore, it is equal to 20 divided by 20 is 1. 40 divided by 20 is 2. So we have here 1/2. Now let's continue solving. Let's use our formula. The formula is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. So a sub n here is the missing term. So that is a sub 27 is equal to a sub 1, that's 40, times the ratio, that's 1/2, raised to n. N is the missing term. So that is 27 minus 1. So let's continue solving. So we have here a sub 27 is equal to 40 times 1/2 raised to 27 minus 1, that's 26. So we have here a sub 27 is equal to 40 times 1 raised to 26 is 1 over 2 raised to 26, that is 671088864. And then we have here a sub 27 is equal to 40 over, let's multiply 40 and 1. So that's why we have here 40 over 671088864. And then to simplify this, let's try to divide it by 4. Then let's continue. So we have here A sub 27 is equal to 40 divided by 4, that's 10, over 67,108,864 divided by 4 is 167,77216, or 16,777,216. It can still be divided by 2, so let's divide it by 2. So A sub 27 is equal to 10 divided by 2, that's 5, over, let's divide this by 2. This is 8388608. So this is the fractional part of our answer. Let's convert it to decimal. 5 divided by 8388608. So this is A sub 27 is equal to 5.96 times 10 raised to negative 7. Or that is A sub 27 is equal to, so this will be equal to, let me just write it here, 0.000, let me just use text. So we have here 0.000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ayan. So we have here 6 zeros here, 596. So this is the exact value when we convert it to decimal. So that's it for the last part of this discussion. I hope that you have learned something today, and also for the part 1 of this topic. If you have inquiries about us or about the topic, kindly message the Honors Tutorials page. Thank you and God bless.